How are you all?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also fine.
Good
Okay.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Good.
We're fine, ma'am.
How about you, ma'am?
Do you know that there is
I'm
a day
also
when the
okay,
sun is
beta.
out all the time and
Okay. Just mute your calls. All of you mute your calls. Okay. Now tell me, have you all studied all the 3 poems? Yes?
Ma'am, I want to tell you a poem.
Okay. You all have studied all the 3 poems, all of you?
I memorized a new poem. It's like this. I'm almost hatched. I'm almost hatched. I'm small, I'm wet, I'm not out yet, I'm almost hatched. I'm pecking hard, I'm pecking hard. I'm tired and weak, it hurts my beak. I'm pecking hard.
1 minute,
My head's
Radhika,
outside.
unmute and start.
Okay.
Continue now. Continue. My head's outside.
My head's outside, my head's outside. The moon is bright, the world's so wide.
Khadija.
My head's outside.
I'm really happy.
I'm really hatched. At last I'm free. Hey, Dad, it's me. I'm really hatched.
Hey, Dad, it's me.
I'm really
Good
hatched.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes. Okay. Who wants to try which poem you all have learned and you all want to recite? Come on quickly, one by one.
What poem, ma'am?
Which out of the 4 poems, which poem is hard for you?
Shall I tell poem?
Which one, beta? Say puff.
Ma'am, your voice is talking.
Can you all hear me? All others?
Your voice is talking, ma'am.
Can you hear me, Khatija?
Your voice is
Ma'am,
talking.
you're audible.
No, I'm audible, no?
Ma'am.
Yasir, log in and log out and log in again, beta. Log out and log in.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Asia. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ifra, Khatija,
Yes,
Hannah,
ma'am.
Emma, click onto your videos, beta, all of you. Yes, I'm asking you all one poem, one by one. Okay? Mifra,
Okay.
Mifra, sit straight, bacha. Sit straight. Okay. Now, Asia,
Ma'am.
which poem you find hard, you want to recite now?
Ma'am, look.
Wow. See, we have a small Santa Claus with us, no? Yes. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Lost that.
See, she's wearing Santa Claus cap and she's come. Very good. Cute girl. Okay,
Ma'am.
Asia, which poem are you saying, beta?
Let Manatin Kalamuzu.
Okay, start, beta.
Ma'am. Let one night in Kalamuzu. The babu had a puppy too. The kudu flew a green balloon. The poodle, a monkey struck a blue guitar.
A donkey.
A donkey caught.
A donkey had a fallen.
A camel danced with a kangaroo.
A donkey, you said a donkey caught a fallen star?
A donkey. Yes,
Okay.
I said.
Okay, a camel danced with a kangaroo.
A camel danced with a kangaroo.
Late
Later, nothing Kalamuzu.
Ibrahim, which poem do you know? Ibrahim?
Helicopter.
No, helicopter. Say, late one night in Kalamazoo. Yes. Yes, yes.
Wait a minute, I will show you something, teacher.
What, beta?
Ma'am, I will show you something new I have. Yes, excuse me, ma'am. Wait for
Yes,
1
Rita.
minute. I'm doing for just 3 minutes.
1 minute. All of you first mute your calls. One by one, talk to me.
Yes, excuse me,
One by
ma'am.
one.
1 moment. Lee?
One by one, talk to me one by one.
Excuse me, ma'am, first.
Yes, Yasir, tell me.
Yesterday, my birthday.
Ah, it was your birthday?
Yes, December 23rd was my birthday.
Okay, come on, all of you will sing for Yasir. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Let us say one at
you.
all.
Happy birthday, dear Yasir. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Yasir. Happy birthday to you. Yes, Yasir? Are you there? Very good. How many years, Yasir?
What, ma'am?
How many years you completed, beta?
7.
Oh, mashallah, you're 7 years old. Very good. Good boy. Okay. Now, Mifra, which poem are you saying quickly?
Hatchling song.
Okay. Wait, I'm muting everybody. You unmute and start, bacha. Yes. Start. Unmute and start.
A hatchling song. I am almost hatched. I am almost hatched. I am small. I am wet. I am not out yet. I am almost hatched. I am pecking hard. I am pecking hard. I am tired. I am weak. It hurts my beak. I am pecking hard.
My head's outside.
My head's outside. My head's outside. The moon is bright. The world so wide. My head's outside.
I'm
I am
really
really
hatched.
I am really hatched. At last I am free. Hey Dad, it's me. I am really hatched.
Okay, fine. Mifra, but you have not learned the poem, bacha. You are reading it, beta. Why? Why, Babu? You have to learn the poem. Okay, Asma is raising her hand. Come on, Asma, which poem?
But I will learn and say.
Very good girl, Mifra. Okay, late one night in Kalamazoo. Start.
Late one night in Kalamazoo, the baboons had a barbecue. The kudos flew a green balloon. The
Poodles
poodles nodded to the moon.
Yes.
A monkey strummed a blue guitar. A donkey caught a falling star. A camel danced to the kangaroo late one night in Kalamazoo.
Maryam Ismail, say the poem Puff. Puff.
Udhar one time, can I say? I am almost hatched. Can I say Puff? I am not anymore.
Very good. Yes, Yasir, say, come on.
I am almost hatched. 1 puff, 2 puffs,
Mifra, mute yourself.
4. I'm tired. I am weak. It hurts my I'm
Mifra,
tired.
mute yourself. Yes, Yasir, start now. Unmute and start. Where's your video? I cannot see you,
Yes, ma'am.
Yasir. Start.
1 puffs, 2 puffs, 3 puffs, 4, 5 puffs, 6 puffs.
You can't see me.
You can't see me anymore.
Very good. Tawheed, are you there? Tawheed? Tawheed Sheikh? Unmute yourself. Reply.
Exam. Oh, wow.
Tawheed,
Yes. Ma'am. Yes.
do you know the poem Puff?
Ma'am,
Yes.
one moment.
Start.
One
Mute
question.
yourself. Others, mute yourself.
One moment, ma'am. 1
Yasir, mute yourself.
1 puff, 2 puff, 3 puff, 4, puff 5, puff 6.
No,
puff
after 4 there is no
7,
puff. 1
8,
puff, 2 puffs, 3 puffs, 4.
puff 4, puff
No puffs, no
Five.
puffs. Don't say puffs after 4. 5 puffs, 6 puffs.
7, puff 8, puff.
You can't see me anymore.
You can't see me anymore.
Next is Ayat. Ayat, which poem you know? Ayat,
The last.
Ayat, are you there? Ayat,
Yes, ma'am. I
which
puff.
poem?
Puff. Puff.
Okay, start.
Puff. And puff 2, puff 3, puff 4, 5, puff 6, puffs. You can't see me anymore.
Ahmad Noor, which poem you know, beta?
Puff.
Okay, start.
1 puff, 2 puff, 3 puff, 4, 5 puff, 6 puff. You can't see me anymore. Thank you.
Okay. Next, Ibrahim, do you know the poem Puff? Ibrahim?
It's easy peasy.
Come on, start. Say 1 puff.
1 puff, 2 puff, 3 puff, 4 puff,
4. No
Five
puffs.
puff.
Only 4. 4. 5 puffs.
5 puff, and
6
6
puffs.
puffs.
You can't see me.
See me anymore.
Wow, very good. Next, Asia.
1 puff, 2, 1 puff, 2 puff, 3, 3 puff, 4, 5 puff, 6. You can't see me anymore.
Very good. Now Rufaida has just joined in. Rufaida, which poem would you like to say?
Ma'am, I want to say puff.
Okay, start.
1 puff, 2 puff, 3 puff, 4, 5 puff, 6 puff. You can't see me anymore.
Okay, has everybody completed? Let me check who is left to say the poem. Mariam Ismail, switch on to your video. Mariam Ismail, Amna, are you there? Amna, Amna, Amna. Mariam Ismail, are you there?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. What, beta? What?
I have learned the poem. Can I say now?
Which one?
That one only. The
No,
hatchling
afterwards.
song.
Now I want to make you all write something. So take down your notebooks. All of you, come on. Take down your notebooks. I revised the poems with you all. Now I want you all to write something.
Ma'am, please. I
Ma'am,
want to tell.
please. Ma'am, can you please write? Mifra, ma'am. Can you please start writing, Mifra?
One moment, please.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually,
Listen,
she
ma'am.
learned by heart so that she can surprise you.
Who just
So
now
that's
she
okay.
read it, ma'am. That is why. And I've already given her a chance. She should have said it by heart, no?
No, after that she sat and learned so that she can say now only.
Okay, okay. Just now she has learnt it again.
Yeah.
Acha, okay, okay. Then let her say. Actually, I want to do some writing. That is why I'm rushing. Okay, come on quickly, Mifra. Come on.
Ma'am, can I also
But without your book, huh? No reading from your book, beta.
Ma'am, ask me. I will say
Wait, first
poem.
let Mifra complete. She's saying a hatchling song. Start, Mifra.
Okay. A hatchling song. I am almost hatched. I am almost hatched. I am small. I am weak. I am not out yet. I am almost hatched.
No, no. I'm small. I'm wet. I am not out yet.
I am not out yet. I am pecking hard.
I am almost hatched. I am almost.
I am almost hatched.
Next.
I am almost
pecking hard.
hatched. I am pecking hard. I am pecking hard. I am tired. I am weak. I am not out yet. I am.
It hurts my beak.
It hurts my beak. I am pecking hard.
Next.
My head's outside. My head's outside.
The moon is.
The moon is bright. The world so wide. My head's outside. I am really hatched. I am really hatched. At last I am free. Hey Dad, it's me. I am really hatched.
Very good girl. Very good girl. Good girl. I'm so happy. Okay. Now please take down your notebooks and I'm doing some revision. Copy it down. Come on, all of you. Mariam Gola, how are you, beta?
Fine, Mama. Can I say the poem?
Okay, yes, you can say the poem till I'm writing. Which poem you want to try?
Mom, I want to say the
Which one, bacha?
top down.
No, that poem is over. No, in the last exam, it's gone, beta.
Okay,
Now,
Mom.
from these poems,
I want to do.
from the new poems, come on. Can you try Late One Night in Kalamazoo?
Yes, Mom. Kalamazoo.
Start.
Late one night in Kalamazoo, the baboons, the barbecue, the kudos flew a green balloon. And can I go to the poodles yodeled to the moon, the monkey strung a blue guitar, the donkey caught a falling star, the camel danced with the kangaroo, late one night in Kalamazoo.
Very good. Very good, girl.
Ma'am, now I learned it properly.
Yes, I'm so happy because I am going to ask you all your poems for the exam. So I want you all to revise the poems, okay?
Ma'am, can I get the notebook?
Please bring your notebooks quickly.
Ma'am,
Yes. What?
Exam is offline online.
Online.
Okay.
Ma'am,
English notebook.
Yes, mera bacha, yes.
No.
Okay, can I start sharing the screen now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is the exam.
No, beta, I'm giving you revision. Mute yourselves, beta, and talk. Can you all see the screen, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you make the font a bit bigger?
Yeah, I'm doing that, bacha. Now it's better.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's better.
Okay.
EVISION बाजी ऐसे लिखूं ना बाजी इधर लिखने का बाजी इधर लिखने का
तो लाइन क्यों आ रही?
Mute your calls.
Ma'am, how many lines do we have to write?
That you'll come to know later on. Once I complete. Okay?
3 lines, 3
No.
questions.
Let me complete, then you will come to know better. Okay?
Can I go to the washroom?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you wait?
I'll just copy till the screen till this much and then wait. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Who's making that sound?
Ma'am, Mifra.
Khatija, are you there, beta?
Ma'am, can you scroll up a bit? Ma'am, can you send it the Google Classroom?
I will send
Ma'am,
beta.
I'm here.
Khatija, are you there, beta?
Ma'am, can you
Mute yourselves, all of you. Mute yourselves. Yes, mute yourself.
Can you share in the Google Classroom?
I will do that, bacha. Khatija, can you read these words? Write 5 words with the CH sound. Khatija will read the words.
Chair, chat,
Okay,
Check,
I'm done with
cheese,
the answer.
chew.
And chew. Can you see all these words have CH sound? Yes? Next, I have already given this earlier. I have shared this full 10 words on Google Classroom. But I want you all to revise at least 5. Okay? Khatija, next one. Write 5 words with the SH sound. Sure.
Shape, shirt, shoe, ship, shop.
Very good.
Ma'am, can you go up?
Yes, bacha, I'll go up. 1 minute.
Ma'am, very big line.
What?
This is the big line. So small line.
What, beta?
This is a big line, yet small line.
What big line? I didn't understand.
He's saying that if you're writing,
Kya? What?
बड़ा लाइन ले क्या छोटा लाइन ले?
कौन सा छोटा लाइन? अपनी बुक में लिखिए विच बुक यू हैव, रेड एंड ब्लू लाइन, रेड एंड ब्लू लाइन बुक है आपके पास?
Yes.
Write it in that book.
Ma'am, still English.
What beta?
See my book. Yasir, English.
All of you copy first, quickly. Who has completed the first 5 words?
Ma'am, Mariam Mohammed. Ma'am, my 5 words is done. I 2 question answers writing.
Very good, Ayat. Good girl.
WRITE. Ma'am, can you what is WITE? Excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you scroll up? Ma'am, can you scroll up? Ma'am, 1 minute. Can you please scroll up? Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, more up. Ma'am, can you scroll to the date?
No need. Date you can write on your own. Mifra, you have not started writing, Mifra. Why is that so? What's the problem? You're wasting your time, beta. You haven't started the date also. Children have completed 5 words. Why are you wasting your time? Stop doing that and copy from where you can see now. Stop annotating, Amna. Okay, who else has completed?
Ma'am, I'm writing to the first question. Completed.
Okay, those who have left out, leave it and copy from where you can see now. It's your mistake. You are writing very slowly. There's no need to write slowly. Write quickly. Mifra, others have completed. You are just writing the first question now.
Ma'am, please screen up. Ma'am, can you show me the question number 1?
No, it's not possible, beta. Now write question 3. You are wasting your time.
Ma'am, for 1 minute, can you scroll up?
TH sound. The.
SH. Ma'am, for 1 minute, can you scroll up?
Who is that? Mariam?
Ma'am, I'll write quickly. Can you please scroll up
Yes.
for 1 minute? Ma'am, I'm writing the second question. Can you scroll up? Ma'am, I'm writing the second question. Can you scroll up? Ma'am, up.
Can you all stop saying that, ma'am, scroll up, ma'am, scroll up? I have already told you all, if you all are not able to see the screen, leave the number 1, 2, leave that place. Write the next question, beta. Write the next question.
Ma'am, I am writing till the first question.
That is very slow. We can't help you, Mifra, because we are on question 3 now. Children have reached question 3. You are still on question 1.
Ma'am, will you share this on Google Classroom?
Yes, I will. Mute yourselves and say, beta, mute yourselves.
Baji, Miss
That's all. This only you have to write. Copy beta quickly, all of you.
Whoever is not done, the others who have done it, when everyone has done, can you scroll up? Who is remaining for the remaining one? Ma'am? How will you do? Mama, I gave it. Ma'am, you can go down.
That's the end. There's nothing beyond this beta. This is the end.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Khatija, are you there, beta?
Yes, when I'm finished.
Already,
that
1 minute.
this
Mute
day-
yourselves. Mute yourselves. Mute yourselves, all of you. Khatija, read the last words, beta. Khatija,
Okay.
I'm sharing
Then-
the screen. Wait.
Arey time.
Then that
Dinosaur
is
died 65
their
million
father.
years ago.
Yes.
Ma'am, can
All
you
these
read?
words have TH sound.
Arey,
Yes.
arey.
The.
Ma'am, complete.
Who has completed? Show me.
Ma'am, can you go up?
Very good, Asya. Very good girl, Asya. Very good. Who else has written, beta? Who else has written, bacha?
Ahmad.
Very good, Ahmad. Good boy, Ahmad. Good boy.
Ma'am, I am writing third question.
Who's writing? Mariam Ismail?
Mariam
Okay, I'll
Ahmed.
share the screen. Copy it quickly.
Ma'am, can you go over down? Ma'am, can I leave?
Who is that?
Asya.
No. Anything special you want to leave?
I am finished.
So that doesn't mean you can leave the class. Okay, who all has completed?
Happy holiday.
Ma'am, I've completed.
Tomorrow we have one more session. Why holidays? Tomorrow we have one more session. Public speaking.
Ma'am, can
Yes.
you please
Asiya is going for holidays from today only, Asiya? Yes? Okay. Now listen to me. Sit straight. All of you sit straight. Mariam Ismail, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed?
I also complete, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. If you all have missed out, please copy from Google Classroom. Okay. And in the holidays, practice all the revision. And I will send some homework. Do that homework also. Home assignment. Okay. Is that clear?
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye,
Bye.
What are the holidays for?
It's Christmas holidays, beta. Okay?
Christmas
Yes,
already
beta, bye.
started now.
Now,
But
not
Christmas
from now, beta.
already-
Tomorrow we have one more working day and day after tomorrow. Okay? Bye.